for your Monday, losing those rain chances in the second half of the day. 80 degrees at noon, 83 at 5. Of course, just feeling warmer with those dew points, that humidity sticking on. But the westerly winds will make our lakeshore communities just a bit cooler than everyone else. As speaking of the lakeshore, 2 to 3 foot waves by this afternoon out on Lake Michigan. The north side of your piers will be the most dangerous. So just still be cautious, even though we don't have currently a moderate or high beach hazard risk. Still be cautious if you are along the lakeshore today. Now overnight, we're actually going to finally dip back temperatures. 63 degrees, partly cloudy, a lot more comfortable as we'll continue to lose that humidity. And tomorrow, a beautiful day with partly cloudy conditions. But as we get into Tuesday, overnight into Wednesday, this is when we have our next rain chance. Notice how there's not that much there. There's a little bit of a short wave coming through, and it's a shower possible. That's about as good as we get throughout the entire day on Wednesday. So there's a chance, just not much. And we'll work towards 82 degrees on Wednesday as well. Staying in the lower 80s the rest of the week, holding on to that sunshine also and the lower humidity. So it's really going to be comfortable. Some great July summer weather we can enjoy.